form of what? What's it called? Pandemic. Are we together? Military coup d'etat. All those things. Okay. Monarchy form of government is best used to control the government at that particular what moment. Why? The king, the monarch, is what being worshipped by the people. He has what? Absolute authority and power over the people. So these are just major what reasons for what people what believing that monarchy is what is a good form of what government. Okay, but let's look at the demerits. Demerits. For demerit number one, it is undemocratic in nature. It is what? Undemocratic in what? In nature. I.e., absolute monarchy. I.e., absolute what? Monarchy. Now, can you see why it's undemocratic in nature? Because in absolute monarchy, the monarch do not derive his power and function from the world, the constitution. That means the monarch has power that is more supreme than the world, the constitution. So he can do and undo. So that is why it's what? Undemocratic in what? In nature. Okay? Number two, which is another form of what? Demerit. Okay? It can, the leader can become or emerge as a dictator. The leader become or emerge as what? A dictator. So all these are what? The few merit and what? Demerit of this form of what? Government. Okay. So let's look at some questions. A quick one. Within the next 10 minutes, let's take some questions on the form of government that has been what? Discussed. Number one, in a constitutional monarchy, the head of state performs mainly option A, executive functions, B, judicial functions, C, administrative functions. D, ceremonial functions. That's for question 1. So, students, you can type in your answers to know whether you are following or not. Type in the correct answers. Question 2. Constitutional monarchy is practiced in option A, Morocco and Britain. B, Australia and Tunisia. C, Saudi Arabia and Libya. And D, Austria and Algeria. Austria and what? Algeria. So let's take question 3. Number 3. In a constitutional monarchy, the king or queen is referred to as option A, ceremonial head. B, political head. C, constitutional head. And D, democratic leader. Let's take question 4 and 5. So question 4 and 5, it will be based on federal and unitary. It will be based on federal and unitary. So question 4, one advantage of the unitary system over the federal system is the option A, bureaucratic nature. B, cost effectiveness. C, small membership. And D, ratification of appointments. And the last question, look at this. In a unitary state, sovereignty resides in the A, political parties, B, provincial governments, C, central government, D, pressure group. Okay, let's look at these 5 questions. Obi answer. I need something to answer. Okay, welcome back. Let's have our correction. I want to believe that you have picked the right answers. Okay, the first one on the board. In a constitutional monarchy, the head of state performs mainly. So what's the right answer here? Answer is what? Ceremonial functions. Okay, since the head of state happen to be what? A ceremonial monarch. So it performs what? Ceremonial functions. Number two, constitutional monarchy is practiced. When I gave you the notes, I gave you two major examples of country that adopt this what? Form of what? Monarchy. Answer is what? Morocco and Britain. Number three, in the constitutional monarchy, the king or queen is referred to as a ceremonial head. Okay. Number four, one advantage of unitary system over the federal system is what? Cost effectiveness. In the sense that unitary system of government or form of government is cheaper to operate. Why that of federal system of government is what? Very expensive to run. Okay. And the last question as we end today's government class under monarchy. Number five, in a unitary state, sovereignty resides in the central government. Don't forget, I mentioned that unitary system of government is a form of government in which there is no what? Constitutional division of what? Power in a state. And also, is a form of government in which all governmental power and functions that exist in a state is vested in the world central government. So that is our questions for today. So see you in our next class. Thank you and have a good day.